Taken in by a sled.
You know, it's nice to take the negative part of winter and make it positive.
Right.
And I would imagine that sales of snowblowers probably up as well.
Shovels,
Huge,
you name
yes,
it.
I imagine.
Electric blankets.
Chopper video from, actually we took this yesterday, all right, but it was so good. This elk, this beautiful, gorgeous bull elk that was hanging on the hillside. Look at that rack. How many points can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-point bull. That is just spectacular. Well, today we had some sun mixed with the clouds, and right now on the weather web, 37 degrees in South Ogden. Winds are calm, and as you can see, the snow is still on the ground, but a lot of that snow on the valley floor is beginning to melt. And so temperatures are just inching up a little bit, and it's starting to feel like a little touch of spring. Now, the jet stream is still split, big, huge, gigantic split, and that is causing the storms to move south towards Arizona or north towards the Pacific Northwest. We're kind of stuck in the doldrums here over Utah right now. A few clouds in the north, sunshine in the south, and then those inversions across the eastern basins keeping the temperatures cold and vernal. And that'll be the case most of the next week. As you can see, we have a little bit of rain and snow in the Pacific Northwest. It is 43 in Seattle. Still way too warm for the Olympic Games, a lot warmer than normal. And these storms that are moving in are bringing primarily rain to the lower elevations and high elevation snow. And this storm right here, that is going to move in and graze northern Utah. Tomorrow, clouds will come and go. Doesn't look like any precipitation tomorrow, but notice the split in the jet stream. It's gone. We have a westerly flow, and that's going to bring a little storm system across northern Utah late Friday and early Saturday. So in the northern part of the state, we'll have a slight chance for a little bit of snow. I'm not expecting anything major. Mountains will see several inches. Cache Valley, maybe an inch or two. And then after that goes by, it looks like a ridge of high pressure, no split jet stream, back to the doldrums, and just plain old sunshiny weather across southern Utah. And with the snow melting off the ground, the western side of the state, Cedar City and Milford and up towards Beaver, not quite as cold as it has been, but those valleys where the snow remains on the ground with high pressure building in again on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, that'll mean the temperatures will drop back down below normal and fog will return. So that's the negative side of this big ridge of high pressure that will be building on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Now, Price, parts of northern Utah, you'll see some clouds coming and going. Even southeast Utah, you'll see a few clouds. Temperatures will warm up a little bit, and then as the high pressure ridge comes in, fog will redevelop. Look at the basin now. The basin is just crazy. With the clouds, temperatures warm up a little bit. Once the clouds go away with snow on the ground, highs are going to be back into the teens. Late night and morning fog, and you'll see overnight lows back below zero. And as long as the ridge of high pressure is with us, that'll be the case for the basin for the next week, maybe even 2 weeks. Now, we will see some snow around the Wasatch Back and the mountains. In fact, the Wasatch Mountains, 4 to 8 inches of snow Friday through Saturday. And a little bit of snow accumulation in Park City, maybe a little bit around Heber and also Morgan and the Ogden Valley. Look at these temperatures for St. George. We go from 54 to 56 to 59 to 60 over the weekend. And then with the ridge of high pressure, it's going to be over 60 degrees next week. I'll tell you what, the golfers are jumping for joy about that one. And the Wasatch Front, a 30% chance for a little light rain late Friday, a little light snow Saturday morning. It'll be gone by afternoon. And then, you know, this is the big problem with the high pressure ridge and not as much snow on the ground. It'll be in the low 40s on average, but the bench areas probably will be warmer than the valley floor. And the other thing is we'll probably see a little more haze next week.
Boy.
Oh, we're not looking forward to that.
That's not good. March 1st, that's when the end of the haze season.
Good.